Good afternoon, everyone. You're watching KCAL9 News at 2. I'm Mia Lee.
And I'm Dave Gonzalez.
In Health Watch this afternoon, state officials are trying to determine if a childhood illness is on the rise.
Also, there's a new treatment for severe back pain. Some good news for a lot of folks. Dilda Henry here with that.
Absolutely, Mia, Dave. And back pain affects so many people of all different ages. If you're tired of that aching back, an experimental treatment is getting rave reviews. Doctors have used it in Europe for the last decade and are now seeking FDA approval here in the U.S. The surgical treatment is called Dynesys. Last summer, just 2 months before her wedding, Allison Kring had a little accident.
I fell off my bike, just riding down the street. It wasn't even a particularly bad fall.
But the next day at work,
I couldn't sit. I was in so much pain. I actually left and went to the emergency room.
Steroid injections controlled the swelling and pain, but only temporarily.
I couldn't walk without a cane. I got to the point where I couldn't work.
The diagnosis, 2 herniated discs. Allison decided to enroll in a clinical trial for what's called Dynesys.
We're able to microscopically decompress the spinal canal and stabilize with the Dynesys system. And it seems to have some spectacular results that we've seen so far.
Besides herniated discs, Dynesys is used to treat degenerative disc disease and stenosis. Allison's surgeon, Dr. Neel Anand, is director of spinal surgery at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center.
We go between the muscle planes rather than actually strip any muscle. What we do is we get down to the bone, we keep everything intact, the entire anatomy as best as we can. We then put the screws in under X-ray control, and these screws go into the bone to anchor in the bone. There are 2 on top, 2 at the bottom, and then they're connected together by this flexible member.
And it cushions the affected area.
It works as a bumper, stabilizing the spine at the same time, allowing for some motion. Can you go up on your toes? That's fantastic.
As for Allison,
It's been almost 2 months since my surgery, and there's nothing today that I can't do.
wow, that's right. Allison did get married last year and is also back on her bicycle. Again, this is only for certain back problems and requires extensive experience. For more information on this clinical trial, you can call 800-233-2771. Again, that number 800-233-2771.